Hi guys, welcome back. I'm here at the Dollar Tree to show you guys some of their Easter decor.
Take a lot of courage just to live out your dreams. Bigger picture I could see if I just close my eyes. Have the foresight to believe.
So right here are the treat baskets. They're $5. They have it in this multicolor, this dark pink, this yellow. So pretty. And they have that blue back there. Yeah, we have 4 different colors. Jumbo eggs, they are $3. They're 12 inches. Right here, a set of 50 are the bacon cups for $3. These are really cute. Oh my goodness, don't encourage me to eat more. These cups are just too cute. $3 guys for 50. That is a great deal. 9.5-inch mercury eggs, they're $5. Okay, so it comes in silver, green, pink, gold, and blue. $5. Then they have these cute little for someone special plushies here for $5. How cute. Oh yes. They have this cutie pie. Oh my goodness, look at the legs, guys. So cute. And this one. Got this cute brown rabbit here. They are huge too. And they have this green one. Only $5, guys. This pink one. Yeah, you're at the Dollar Tree. This is not Dollar Tree Plus, guys. This is the regular Dollar Tree. Okay, but of course they have some of the plus items in here now. Okay, so right here are the ribbons, 12 feet, 4-inch wide. They're $3. So we have this pattern with the bunny. And this one. Really cute patterns. Here's another one here. Ooh, look at this one. How pretty is this one? Oh yeah. And the peeps right here, they're $5. They have it in yellow and pink. I'm not sure if they're coming in the other colors, but those are the only 2 colors they have here today. Okay, so down here are the Peeps LED bubble wands for $5. And they have it in pink, blue, green, and yellow. Oh, look at the tumblers. Okay. Now this is my first time seeing the tumblers. They're $5, and how cute are they? Oh yes, they're in the same beautiful colors as the wands. Cute finds, right? OMG. Oh yeah. So right here, our little friends are standing tall and proud. 24-inch decorative standing bunny. They're $5. So they have a few different ones. This is one right here with the little green skirt. The brown one with the blue skirt. And this one right here has the pantsuit on in blue and in green. Oh yeah, cute as can be. Okay, the metal leaners, they are $5. So they have the duck and the cute bunny. They are metal. These tablecloths, they are 52 by 52, and they are $3. They have the square ones, the oval ones, and the round ones. And here the pattern is right here. Okay. So wreaths, they are $5. Yes, they're in green and yellow. Alrighty. So right here we have egg garland. This is 6 feet. It is $3. Then they have the wood bead and eggs garland. This one. And this one here. And all of these are different, guys, the ones that I'm showing you. So it's 1, 2, 3. That's different. Then they have this beautiful 6-foot floral egg garland. Nice. This one is $3. Okay. $3 for this one. And then this cute little blessed bunny is in green blue. Okay, and it has the words on it. This one says blessed. That one says hop on in. Oh yeah, these are cute. And they also have the bunnies back there, guys. The bunny says Happy Easter. And the pink one says welcome. I like the little tail on the end. How cute is that? Love, love, love. Okay, moving on down here to the Metal Chick Decor. These are $3 in those beautiful bright colors, green and yellow, blue and white. Oh yes, with the cute little bow tie. Isn't that cute? Then they have these. These are the flocked bunny. $3 on that one. And OMG, these rugs are definitely new. I did not see these rugs at the other store. So these are new today here at my store. It's this welcome inside. We're all the same. It is $5. Yes. That is too cute. Definitely gonna have to get a picture of that. And then they have this one that says welcome peeps. Oh, they even have more. That one, they're getting heavy, guys. I can't really hold it up, but yeah, they have a few different styles here. $5. Now down here are rugs. These are plush tie-dye rugs, and they're $5. They are 20 by 30. Okay. Feels pretty comfortable. And oh yes, our friends, the gnomes. So cute. They're only $3. That is a great deal. You can't get this deal even at Aldi, guys. 16-inch gnome, $3. Oh, how cute. So it's in pink, blue. I think I see a yellow in the back. Let's see. Yeah, there's a yellow one in the back. Oh, I'm going to have to borrow somebody's knees once I finish with this, guys. Anybody have a spare knees? Oh, okay. This 20-inch topiary, it is $5 with the burlap little bottom. So pretty. And then they have that one. $5. More flocks in different colors. So they have different sizes too. This is the size we've seen earlier, which is the dark green. It is in this light yellow and blue. And then they have the smaller ones as well. Are these $3 too? So I guess they're going to be $3 too. Yeah. So all of the flock bunnies, they're $3. The larger ones and the smaller ones, $3. Yes. Okay, guys, here are more ribbons. These are the wire edge ribbons for $125. Aren't they beautiful? Oh yes, and then they have these over here, different sizes and definitely different patterns. Oh yes, these LED lights. Yes. Okay, here we go. $125. And then they have the carrot picks and the flock eggs over here. Picks in different colors. The eggs, cute, cute. And more decor pieces here. Okay. Yellow is pretty. And look at that decorative mesh right there. Isn't that pretty? Oh my goodness. Love that. And they have the solid color mesh right here. And these are 6 by 5. Okay. And we have egg picks. You get 4 pieces. You have all these pretty different colors. Sequence eggs. You get a 6-pack of these. The Easter trees. Ooh, these are cute. These clear Easter eggs. Nice. And then the basket bags right here. You get 2 pieces. Oh, yes, beautiful. And look at the wood bead. Oh, this is really cute. Jute garland. Yes. We have this one. Oh, these are fingernails. Peeps press-on nails. 10 pieces. Oh, yes. More ribbons right here. That pink is pretty. Oh, yes. These picks. These are the smaller eggs here. So they have the smaller eggs, which you get 10. No, you get 12 of these. The larger ones, you get 5. Ooh, what are these? Decor. I guess these are eggs too. You get 3 of these. And you get the little nose picks. Cute, right? Oh, yes, plenty of picks here, guys. Yes. More pieces here. We have the blue. And this is a mini foam mushrooms. You get 16 pieces. It's in purple, pink, and blue. Then you have the foam egg ornaments here. This is a 12 piece. These are the larger carrots. You get 6 of these. And then they have the little small ones. You get 18 of these. The carrots also come in, this looks like a red. Looks more like red than, yeah, red and orange. Okay. Oh, yes. More little trees up there. And what is this? Glittered drape. Huh, okay. You can put it on the mantle or around the window or the door. It is a 40 by 40. It comes in pink and I think green. Oh, and yellow. Yay. Okay, cool. Some signs. This one says everybody welcome. The black and white one says hop on in, and the green one says blessed. Oh, yes. Ooh, there's another one, guys, that says welcome. Okay. Oh, that's the same one. Happy Easter. Yes, that's different and pretty. Okay, a nice variety, right? Oh, yes. And these are $5. Well, all right, friends, that is it here today at the Dollar Tree over here in the Easter section. I hope you all enjoyed this video as much as I did, and if you did, please give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share my content with others. Thank you for your support, and I'll see you all in the next one.